can see the mask does amazingly. Like, you can see the mask is giving the glow already. Like, you don't, the mask is speaking for itself. I will be very sure 100% I'll hit my chest, bang bang bang, and say this thing they work like magic. Oh, no be play. Oh. So that's the reason why I was test running it. And trust me guys, I've been using this for literally like five days at most, and trust me, my skin has literally lightened out. You're having sunburn, you're having redness, and you're following me here, you're my subscriber. When I'm dishing out secrets every time on how to get rid of it, no worries, because I'm definitely going to give you a final solution to that redness, sunburn, and any dark patches you're having on your face. And before you say, who am I to tell you how to get rid of sunburn finally, let me show you evidence one. I don't have sunburn, I don't have redness. Evidence two, this was the video I posted, right? I think just like a month back, and that video is already on 1.1 million views on TikTok. On YouTube, that video is about 80k views. That's not just it. Views choke. Testimony yakba. Do you get? Like, it's plenty. Do you understand? So if I tell you something, take it serious. If I tell you that this thing is going to get rid of your sunburn and redness, I guarantee you it's going to get rid of it. And trust me, I've been getting amazing testimonies. People literally call me, send me text messages telling me how amazing that recipe has been working for them. And I said, why not? Let me come up with another banger. You see this banger I'm going to give you guys? God. You see this one I'm going to give you guys? This one is what we call they play the show, like as they use an sharp evidence they show, like they show sharp. You want to subscribe to this channel because you don't want to miss anything, because I'll be giving you guys what banger to banger. The recipe I'm going to give you is a homemade recipe. It's quite easy, accessible, and very affordable, and works magic. And when I say magic, I'm not just saying it mere words, magic. I don't want to waste too much time, right? Let's go straight forward. Let me show you what you're needing to clear that redness and sunburn on your face. Pata, and that's on 100. That's my container. You see this container is very cleaned. Please make sure your container is very clean. Any container you want to use. So this is my favorite container because I want you guys to see everything. Basically for this remedy, we'll be needing just 4 ingredients that will banish sunburn totally, redness, sunburn, even melasma, and any sort of dark patches you're having on your face. My sister, this thing they work. Now the first thing we'll be needing is aloe vera gel. You guys, you know I don't joke with aloe vera gel, and the reason why I use this tomato, I've explained it severally. This works best when it comes to sunburn on the face and any dark patches because it has high level of vitamin C in it, right? And an antioxidant that actually helps to stimulate collagen, promote healing on your skin, and also help your skin to be even, and also helps to brighten your skin over time. So now we'll go in with this. If you're measuring this, there's no perfect measurement for this. Use it according to your face. Some people have wider face, right? So use it according to your face, or you can use a tablespoon. So my aloe vera gel is here. Now the second thing we'll be needing, right? This one does magic for the skin, right? This literally will brighten your face. This will help to get rid of dark mark on your face if you're having any dark mark, even redness. This will literally help to heal your skin really fast, like fast. And I'm not kidding. And it's what? Turmeric oil. Hold up guys, let me show you something. Now I have this turmeric oil here in this jar. So I put some here, right? Now this is turmeric oil we'll be using in this my recipe. Now why am I using turmeric oil? Turmeric oil will help to brighten your dark patches on your face. Turmeric oil is very anti-inflammatory. Turmeric oil promotes healing on the skin. Turmeric oil help your skin to literally even out that, you know, when you're having sunburn, melasma on your face, any sort of dark patches, you literally have demarcations on your skin. Some place will be fair, some place will be dark. So this will literally help you towards even out your skin tone and give you a well blended skin. Another thing this turmeric oil literally does is that it helps to lighten your face, and I'm not kidding. I put it to a trial whereby I stopped using any brightening product on my skin or any lightening product. I literally focus fast on this turmeric oil mask. This mask I'm showing you guys, and I wanted to test run it before bringing it for you guys so that I will be very sure 100% I'll hit my chest bang 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 and say this thing they work like magic. Oh, no be play. Oh. So that's the reason why I was test running it. And trust me guys, I've been using this for literally like five days at most, and trust me, my skin has literally lightened out. And I'm not kidding, it actually made my skin, what I noticed, my skin is lighter, my face got smoother, my dark spot, it was literally clearing any dark mark on my face, and it helping to heal any inflammation on my skin really fast. Like, this does magic. So we'll be going in with our oil. Now when it comes to this oil, when you're putting this oil in here, just let me give you an example. You're using 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel here, right? If you're using this oil, you're acne prone, it will not break you out because turmeric fights acne as well. So, or you can just use 10 drops. You get 10 drops is fine. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are 10 drops. Next thing we'll be needing is honey. To show you how amazing I love honey and why I use honey a lot is because it works. It heals the skin really fast. When you're using honey consistently every time on your skin, you naturally not have problem. Do you understand? There's a problem that you'll be avoiding. There's some problem that will not come. Do you understand? Like when you go out, your face is burning in the sun. We have a very hot weather, right? In Nigeria, right? When you go out, you feel like, okay, there's sun. You feel hot no matter where you are. Not even in Nigeria, there are places that still have hot weather. When you go out, you feel like your sun has beat your face. It's very hot. You can just slather honey on your face before taking your bath for like 30 minutes. That will literally help to heal your skin and prevent any damage on your skin. And if you know you're someone that uses a lightening face cream that you literally get redness consistently every time, it triggers redness for you, you can usually, and you feel like the face cream is good on you, you don't want to use it, you don't want to stop using it, you can literally cut down using the face cream maybe 2 times in a week, then use this mask every time, like 2 to 3 times in a week. Trust me, you're going to stop that redness on your face and you're going to escape redness. If I actually have this, I have this, and I have this. I have 3 types of honey here. All na say honey, all na the same thing they do, all na original honey. It's not like one is better than any other one. Yeah, the same thing. Just for the love of it, I just want to have it around. I don't want to feel like I don't have it. Emphasis, when you're getting honey, please get original honey. I beg you, so that this mask will work for you. Now I'll be going with this particular honey. So remember, we have just aloe vera gel and turmeric oil here. So this is our 3rd ingredient. So I'll just put some here. So I'm putting half tablespoon of honey. Yes, I'm putting half tablespoon of honey. So for you to get the measurement. The last ingredient is actually rose water, but I usually don't add my rose water here because I don't want it to be too watery. So I usually go and spray my rose water after applying this on my face. So I'll just mix this. Mix this, so you'll have a very, so after mixing it, you definitely have a very jelly like consistency. So go ahead. So now, if you're someone that have dark circles, this does amazingly when it comes to dark circles. If you have dark circles on your eyes, you're someone that here is actually very dark, this does magic for it as well. Now, you know when you have sunburn, usually it's around this area, and this place will be very dark. So you want to concentrate and just allow and just apply it in that areas, right? Take your time. Turmeric is very good for acne as well. So you're going to use this mask for like 30 minutes before taking your bath, or 1 hour. It depends on how intense your sunburn, redness, or melasma is, or any dark patches you want to fade, right? So make sure you're leaving it for like 1 hour on your skin if it's quite intense. 30 minutes is also fine. Even 15 minutes can also work if you're rushing, right? Then go and take your bath and wash it out. The reason why you must wash this out, right? I will not really literally want you to use it as a face mask and then to sleep over with it. Though if you feel like you can, but I prefer you wash it because of the turmeric. You know, turmeric can actually stain a bit, so it's something you want to wash out, right, when you're taking your bath. So now I'm doing this and I will literally go and wash it out and spray your rose water. So this is my skin after spraying my rose water. You can see how hydrated, glowy, smooth, like you can see the mask does amazingly. Like you can see the mask is giving the glow already. Like the mask is speaking for itself. You can see the glow, like girl. Like guys, you can see it's speaking for itself. Like you don't need to do. And trust me, after you wash your face, maybe you go and say, "Nah, we see you go wash your face will come." No, the glow continues. Oh, the glow continues. Do you get? Actually, that is the home remedy you've been. This is what you've been needing, right? But there's one thing I want to add for you. See, to make this thing work like fire, to make you say, we say you while you would think, say, you will thank me and pray for me. Like, go and get this face wash. Go and get this face wash. This face wash is, you see, it contains turmeric, it contains saffron, it contains salicylic acid and rose water. This face wash deeply cleans the skin. It helps to exfoliate your skin gently, helps with dark spots on the face, helps with hyperpigmentation, and also help with sunburn and redness. Now, turmeric here will help you with inflammation on the skin. If your skin is red, it's going to calm it down. Even the saffron is good, it's very good for inflammation and also works for anti-aging. Rose water is very soothing, works for redness as well, deeply cleans your skin as well, unclog your pore. The salicylic acid here will help to exfoliate your skin. Now, most times when people tend to use products, when you use masks like this and you see, say, you know, they see results, now because maybe you know you exfoliate your skin well, because most times when you use this kind of mask, right, it helps to heal your skin. And when your skin is healing, right, there's a lot of dead skin cell that will build up in the surface of your skin. So if you know they remove that dead skin cell, you know what they see, say, the new skin where they don't already heal, where don't fine, make it come up. Do you understand? But the moment you start exfoliating your skin, the dead skin cells will go out, then the new skin will come up. You'll come to say, your skin don't heal, your skin don't glow, this thing they work, now so this thing be, this thing they work, my skin already clear, so now so it be. You will see, say, it will just be like one magic. One morning you will just wake up, your skin is looking glowy, glassy, soft and classy, looking glowy, classy, soft and radiant. And trust me, this recipe, you know, get bad record. It's a 10/10. It's a win-win. All you do is apply your face mask, then wash out with the face wash that I just showed you. If you can this turmeric oil, you can buy any turmeric oil in the store. You can also make your own turmeric oil by yourself. I made this one myself, and I'm going to post a video of this. I have a video that where I made where I made turmeric oil. I'm going to post that video so you learn how to make turmeric oil, or you can just buy from the store. Can buy from the store and use it. We have this, and we have a lot of affordable turmeric oil you can use on your skin, and that turmeric oil is very affordable, cheap and accessible. Turmeric oil is very cheap and accessible. It's something you can literally get from any cosmetic store. So without further ado, bye for now.